Let's face it, emergencies happen. Maybe the car decides a flat tire is the perfect accessory, or the fridge starts sounding like a dying whale. Whatever the reason, sometimes you need easy access to your hard-earned cash. And that's where your savings account comes in, right? Except, with some accounts, accessing your money can feel like navigating a financial labyrinth. So, if you're an Ally savings account holder wondering, how much can I actually pull out, this video is for you. We'll crack the code on Ally's withdrawal limits and explore the best ways to get your money when you need it most. Now, Ally savings account is known for its competitive interest rates, which is awesome for growing your money. But there's a catch. To prevent accounts from acting like checking accounts, there are limits on how many withdrawals you can make electronically each month. That means no draining your entire balance with a single mobile transfer. But fear not, fellow saver. Here's the breakdown. Ally allows for 10 withdrawals or transfers per statement cycle from your savings account. This applies to withdrawals initiated online or through their mobile app, whether you're transferring to another Ally account or sending money elsewhere. Now, 10 withdrawals might seem restrictive at first, but there are a few key things to remember. First, this limit is per statement cycle, which typically runs a month. So, you've got a decent window to make those essential transfers. Second, there's no fee for exceeding the limit. However, Ally does mention that if you consistently go over the 10 withdrawal limit, they might close your account. So, it's best to use those online withdrawals judiciously. But what if you need cold, hard cash right now? Here's where Ally's approach gets interesting. They don't have physical branches or ATMs linked directly to their savings account. That might sound inconvenient, but Ally makes up for it in a couple of ways. Firstly, you can request a paper check from your account. There is a small fee for this, typically around $5, but it gives you a physical way to access your funds. Just be aware that checks take time to mail and clear, so plan accordingly. The other option is a bit more strategic. Ally offers a separate account called the Ally Bank Debit Card Spending Account. This account functions more like a traditional checking account, complete with a debit card and the ability to withdraw cash from any ATM. Now, the spending account doesn't offer the same high interest rate as the savings account, but it offers great flexibility for everyday needs and emergencies. Plus, you can easily link your savings account to your spending account for quick transfers. Here's the beauty of this two-account system. You can keep your savings growing in the high-interest savings account while having the spending account act as a buffer for easy access cash. Need to move money between them? Ally allows unlimited transfers between your Ally accounts, so you can seamlessly bridge the gap without hitting that withdrawal limit. So, to wrap it up, Ally's savings account offers fantastic interest rates, but with a limit of 10 withdrawals or transfers per statement cycle. If you need immediate cash, consider requesting a check or opening a linked spending account with a debit card for ATM access. By understanding these options, you can ensure your Ally savings account works for you, not against you, no matter what financial surprise life throws your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.